Most of the places in Japan that are super spiritual are nice places to be. Nature. I find that Western religion and even philosophy in some ways it feels very organized and manufactured almost. Everything about Western society kind of has that vibe where it's like churches are big made buildings. The most spiritual places that I have been in Japan haven't necessarily been buildings, they've been mountains. Hiei-san, for example. One of the most spiritual places I've been. It's the natural environment. It feels more real. I associate more with that sort of thing than I do anything else.